Hey guys, so before I start the video, I just want to say a huge thanks to Kay's Garage. He has been a subscriber since day one and is a fellow Mopar YouTuber, and he was actually kind enough to send me a dash mat that came off his Dodge Charger. His car was in a wreck and got totaled, but he has moved on to a really sweet caliber SRT4, so huge thanks to him, and make sure to go check out his YouTube and Instagram. Sorry for the lack of uploads this week, but I had exams at school, so it was a lot of late night studying, and there was just no time to make a video. But that's over, and we're back. So this video is about my front splitter. I know I promised a video showing more about the install and showing what it looks like on the car, and that is coming, but the reason why that's been so delayed is, as you can tell by the title, the splitter got totally wrecked and flew off the car. A new splitter is on its way, so when I finally get that on and installed, I can make a proper splitter video. So what happened to that splitter? So first of all, just 2 days after I installed the thing, someone kind of sideswiped my car while it was parked near my house. It was a very minor damage to the bumper, just a little scratch which I could easily remove, but it did look like they drove right over the side of the splitter where it sticks out on the side of the car. And not only did it bend and crack that portion of it, but it also seemed to loosen it quite a bit. It definitely wasn't on there too tight because the pressure of their car going on it must have taken a toll on the splitter and loosened some of the bolts that connected it to my car. So that's the crazy splitter story. Basically, within a week of installing it, the splitter had literally vanished off the front of the car. I'm really not sure why. It was probably a combination of factors. The hit and run definitely would have loosened it a little bit. And next time, I'm planning on using more bolts when installing. It wasn't too tight in the middle region, so that could have contributed to it as well. Again, I'm sorry for never posting the proper splitter video showing what it was and where it came from, but I didn't even get a chance to film it before it came off the car. I do have another one ordered, so that's going to be going on the car within about a week, and then after that, I will finally make the proper video. So hopefully you enjoyed this quick little story about the splitter. Make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Mopar content. See you next video.